What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I made $1.2 thousand trading NQ. I hit a banger this morning. It was about a 1 to 2 RR, and I'm going to show you my thought process, exactly what I was thinking, and what made me execute on this trade. So if we get into it here, let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you, coming into the day, what were we seeing here. So coming into the day, we were at all-time highs. So I always like to mark it out, right? This was my drawn liquidity, this all-time high. And I wanted to see higher price here. I wasn't willing to take shorts. Like I said, I've gotten cooked multiple times on shorts, trading all-time highs. So look for a long position when we're trading in this specific time, all right? So here was the 9:30 candle on NQ. Right here, crazy manipulation candle, right? We come up, sweep out these highs. Not really an entry here to this drawn liquidity. We take it out right away. So I sit through this chop right here, and what am I waiting for at this point, right? So now that our draw has been taken, I want to see price display strongly through our drawn liquidity here, which was the all-time high of NQ. What did we do? Look at this strong displacement. You see how price rips through with a strong candle closure through our drawn liquidity? That tells me that price wants to seek newer highs and keep going higher. So what did I wait for? At this point, after we're ripping through the drawn liquidity, simply wait for a retracement and a flip. It's just similar trade as last time, right? Similar trade as a previous video on the channel at all-time highs. This is all you need to do here. So wait for a retracement and a flip, and that's all I did here. Look, so bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, and bearish candle. We retrace into this 1 minute imbalance here, retest that imbalance. All right, go to the 5 minute here, right? Yeah, the 5 minute didn't close yet at this point. So I was looking at 1 minute structure, and what did I see? I saw us retest into this gap, and I actually dropped down into the 30-second. I like to do this at when we're trading at all-time highs to try and get a clean entry here. So bullish displacing through our drawn liquidity. That means we're going to seek out higher prices. We get a retracement into this 1 minute gap here, and this is why I don't trade IFEGs, right? Clear example. This is a clean IFEG, and if you took this short, that you'd get cooked, right? The price doesn't move based on IFEGs. This would be a total pattern trade, which some of you guys might be getting caught up in, right? So here we respect this gap, even though we closed below. We didn't displace through it, right? We're respecting the general vicinity of this gap and this candle, right? What do we do after? Strong flip out of this gap. Strong flip. You long position right there. Stop goes below candle body, right? Drop down to the 1 minute. My stop went below. My stop, I actually gave myself a little bit more room. I went to the candle body low of this 5 minute here. So instead of, you see the candle body low of the 5 minute, just in case we wanted to retest this 5 minute gap, I would still be able to be in the position there. So displacement through drawn liquidity, retracement into a 1 minute gap, and we start flipping out of it. There's my entry right there. Stop goes, this is the 5 minute candle body low. And what was I targeting today? I targeted a 1 to 2, and it just bang, 1 to 2. Trade started ripping. We get a little retracement here, and we hit full TP, right? And on this trade, I was risking about $600, and I made about 1.2K, $1,187. And that's about it. That's all-time high trading for you. Just wait for a retrace, wait for a flip, press the long button. That's about it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.